Hey, it's Central Valley Real Estate and Home Improvement. I'm your host, Steve Walling, and my guest for this segment is Kaylee Wood with King's Mortgage. Kaylee,
Yes.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Well, you're welcome. I'm glad you're here. So, King's Mortgage, we're kind of talking about airplane sales, right? No, we're talking about the real estate market.
Home loans, that's all we do.
Home, that's all you do?
That's all we do.
You don't do anything else?
Nope.
So I have expertise when I come into your office of people that are focused solely on home loans, not
Correct.
business loans or anything else, right?
No commercial, we're residential lenders.
Really, I can't tempt you into anything else. That's it.
I wish
Home
I
loans.
could.
Okay, how long has King's Mortgage been around? Kaylee?
We are locally owned and operated, and we are coming up fast approaching year 23, so over 20 years of business here in the Valley.
That speaks highly for the company.
Yes.
You know, you can't make it here in the Valley that long if you're not providing a good service. And home mortgages are a service that your office provides for home buyers.
Correct.
Very good. What do you think of market is right now?
I think we're on a very positive upward trend of the market.
Yeah.
The interest rates have settled down since the end of the year. They kind of started rising that last
They
quarter.
got a little shaky for a while, right? But
Yes.
it's settled down now, and the buyers are back in the market, aren't they?
Absolutely. And the big thing is it's still an industry low. So we're looking at comparisons in the last 24 months, 36 months. If you look at the broader range, we're still over the trend, a very, very low rate.
And that's good for a buyer, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And I don't know, now I'm not sure, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought I heard on the news last week that rates may have dropped just a bit. Is that something you're familiar with?
Yeah, so me personally, we have a combination. Internally, we restructured to be able to provide a better service to our buyers and agents. So we are offering a price break there in addition to the market itself just being lower. So we're super competitive.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes.
So how many offices do you have?
We have upwards of 7 or 8 all the way over to the Central Coast,
Really?
805 zip code, and then my office here in Fresno being our more northern region.
And you were saying that because you are, an independent office or, agency, that you can handle things that don't require outside help or supervision or approval or anything like that, right? On loan
Right.
approvals and stuff like that?
Yeah, my corporate office is in Visalia. We're right on the 198. So if you're in a pinch, and I've done it many times,
Yeah.
I've met buyers at 7 a.m. signings, picked up loan docs, and had them at my corporate office by 8:30 and funded the loan within an hour. So
Wow.
that's
Now,
something.
that's a service.
Yeah.
Because if I remember back in the days, and I'm not going to tell you how long ago it was, but my wife and I were in real estate, and getting funding could sometimes be a little problematical.
Yeah, I've heard on even say the private money sector or kind of the fishing around or seeing where it fits, whereas I don't have to worry about that. So I don't know any different. I've been with Kings and only Kings, so I know our way and I know it works. So I'm just
That's
going to
great.
keep on that route.
And you've been with them a couple of years, right?
Yeah, a couple of few. I'm working on year 8 with them right
That's
now.
awesome. You must like it, right?
Love it.
Good people to work with.
Absolutely. It's a family.
And if you were to talk to our audience right now, people that are potentially looking to purchase a home at this time, what would you tell them about, what they need for loan acquisition and stuff like that?
The biggest thing that I would tell them is you probably don't need as much as you think you need.
Okay.
Credit scores, we have programs with a really broad window, so we range, typically speaking, low 500s. Of course, the better the score, the more options.
Right.
If down payment's a problem, we have multiple avenues now with down payment
Really?
assistance, programs, absolutely. So that's the biggest thing I would tell them is don't hesitate because you don't know what you don't know.
Well, that's nice, but if I don't know what I don't know,
That's why you come see us.
How do I was going to
Just
say,
start.
how do I find you to come see
We
you?
have tons of options. So a full online access. Website's my name, KayleeWood.com. King's
Okay.
Mortgage itself shows all of our branches.
Okay.
You could call us. We can do it over the phone. We
What-
can meet in person.
Phone number?
559-432-5100 is my branch.
You're not going to get out without giving us. Okay. Do we have like Facebook or any of the other stuff? And I'm not into the
The
other
stuff?
stuff. But
Yeah.
What do they got?
Everything. So whatever your avenue
Facebook,
is.
Instagram, and
Yep,
yeah.
King's Mortgage has our direct page. I myself, Kaylee Wood, on Instagram, I'm Home Loan Lady. That's all I do. So
Okay.
if you want to talk loans, I'm the one to talk to.
Cool. Well, it sounds kind of exciting.
Yeah, it is. It's fun.
Got to be a nice place to be when you've been there for 8 years, and you can sit here and say, I really like working for these people.
Yep.
You got to see it. One of the things I liked about the home sales business was, when successful things are finally closed, sales or purchases, the expression on the buyer or seller's face, the sense of achievement for the people involved, and just know that you've provided such a great service. It's a wonderful industry to be in.
Absolutely. I always say my favorite day is key day, because that first time buyer getting that set of keys, walking through the house, I try to go with my agents as much as I can.
Yeah.
Because it's amazing. The kids running through, picking their rooms, those little moments that people don't think about. We talk a lot about in the industry of like what home ownership means to you. So that's what it is. It's that place that no matter what, you can gather around. It's like your home base, and it's a security thing. And I think it's really important for people to be homeowners.
I think so too. Kaylee, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.
Kingswood? Kaylee Wood.
Kaylee Wood with King's Mortgage.
Kaylee Wood, King's Mortgage.
Yes.
King's Mortgage, Kaylee Wood. I'll say it one more time.
All right.
King's Mortgage, Kaylee Wood. Get a hold of her. You just might find what you're looking for, and it's better to be prepared going in than to find what you're looking for and not be prepared. Because then someone can come along and kind of move you out of the way because they're a little better prepared. Don't let that happen. Get a hold of Kaylee at King's Mortgage. Kaylee, thanks for being with us again today.
Thank you so much.
And I'll see you when we come back.